a jet engine, a drone, or a generator? Those are some of the theories going around right now. People in Fountain don't know what a loud noise is that's keeping them up from midnight until 5 a.m. New tonight, though, they all agree it's annoying. Diana Beatty posted this video of the noise to our Facebook page. The sheriff's office says it's construction work at Mesa Ridge Parkway, but neighbors who live next to the project say the noise isn't coming from there.
It keeps you up, it wakes you up because it hits that tone that, what is that?
You can almost feel it reverberate through your bones.
Loud droning, on, irritating noise.
As far as that noise, between those hours, we don't hear anything at all. I mean, I'm usually up by about 4:45 in the morning anyhow, and I don't hear anything.
Well, we have calls into Fort Carson to see if activity on the mountain post may be generating this noise, but the mystery continues.